Hello guys, you use smartphone Motorola Moto G60. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look completion. In completion we have device with protected back cover. Okay. On this we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, device, 6.8-inch display, on this side power key, volume keys and smart key, back side triple camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On this side, a slot for, on this side, Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and slot for nano SIM card on this side. Turn on device. Okay. Open tests. Geekbench 5. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 632, this octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU we have Adreno 618. Okay. GPU Adreno 618, resolution Full HD+, and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark. Okay. And run the money game GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level. Game works very good, without lags and glitches. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.